So good afternoon, good morning, good evening to everyone. So today we're going to discuss about the Israel and Vatican models, and for the objectives of this topic, we have we are able to learn what is Israel police and present the policing models in Israel and Vatican, and compare the different policing models of Vatican and Israel, and discuss the history and evolution of the various policing in Israel and in Vatican. So in this objective now we can compare the police Israel and police policing in all over the world. Now we can compare daw sa ilahang models sa tanang police policing diri sa ato ang sa ato ang country, and dili lang sa ato kundi sa tanan. So Israel is located in eastern Mediterranean and bordered by Lebanon, Syria, Jordan, and Egypt. So which when we say bordered, silingan niya and napalibutan siya dira country, and Israel has a population of 7 million in 1947. So ato nga time during silang independence kay, and during ani nga time 1947 kay sa billion sila, ay karon kay I believe nga mulapas pa sila dira karon tungod sa dynamic or time changes. So the UN approved the partition of the British Mandate into Jewish and Arab states. So ang UN daw ito nga time kay nag-approve nila ang British Mandate nga naga-separate sa isa ka country.
So, Israel Police Force. Israel Police Force, or which that Israel is the civilian police force of the Israel, in which is highly centralized since it is started in 1948. Its duties includes crime fighting, traffic control, maintaining public safety, and also counterterrorism. It is under the jurisdiction of the Internal Security Ministry. Organization. Israel Police Force is the professional force with some 35,000 manpower, and it is also have a 70,000 volunteers who contribute time to assist police officers in their own communities.
Good morning everyone, my name is Vincent Jan Agkopka. The police are divided into the following main division groups: headquarters unit, departments, and regional districts. Headquarters units oversees administrative, legal, and operational support functions such as internal relation, manage personal affairs and internal coordination, legal counsel, provide legal advice, and ensure compliance with laws. Immigration control monitors and enforces immigration related laws. Audit and account, handling financial oversight and budgeting. Economic crimes, investigate financial and corruption related offenses. Public complaints, addresses grievances from citizens. Disciplinary court, enforce internal discipline and accountability. Service administration, manages logistics and administrative operation. Safety, ensures occupational safety within the force. Appeal controller and spokesperson, handle appeals, oversight, and public communications. Departments, the operational and function aspect are managed by various departments: human resources, recruitment, training and personnel management, investigation and intelligence, gathers and analyze intelligence, investigate crimes, logistics supports, supplies and maintains equipment and facilities, organization and planning, oversees strategic planning and coordination, traffic, enforce road safety and traffic regulations, patrol and security, maintain peace and provide visible police presence, community and civil guard, involves volunteers in community policing. Regional districts. To ensure effective coverage, Israel Police operates in 5 main regional districts: Central District, Southern District, Northern District, Judea and Samaria District, Tel Aviv, and Jerusalem District. Each district is responsible for law enforcement, crime prevention, and public safety within its area.
So, good morning. I am Danilito D. Carillo Jr. and this is my report. So, for the selection training promotion, from 1995 to 2000, over 1,000 men and women were recruited annually into the Israel Police, mainly for patrol investigations, intelligence, traffic, bomb disposal, and community duties. Some joined through compulsory military service after high school, 3 years for men and 2 years for women, and may continue as regular officers in various units including the Border of Guard. So for in this description it says that from 1995 to 2000, the Israel Police recruited over 1,000 men and women yearly for different units like patrol, intelligence, and community service. Many came from compulsory military service. Training lasts for 4 to 6 weeks with further courses offered for promotion. After 5 years, officers can take advanced courses including a 30-week commissioned officer course with studies at Haifa University. So the higher command is, they call it the Rav Nitzav or Commissioner Inspector General, and for the lowest command is the Rav Shooter or Lance Corporal. So the highest is the Commissioner Inspector General. So, thank you.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. My name is Dexter A.S.B. Disharto from B. Scream 2D. In continuation of our report, which is Israel and the Vatican Police Models. So, in my topic, I will discuss the Holy See Vatican. So, when we say Vatican, Vatican City is located at Rome, Italy, and it was ruled by a Pope. So, during that time, it had own law enforcement, which was well organized and respected. So, and then, napod sila sarili nilang mga police for their safety. And next, main functions of Papal law enforcement. So the first one is general policing, the second one is custom control, the third one is intelligence gathering, the fourth one is religious law enforcement. So the first one is general policing. So it was handled by village magistrate and gendarmes. So ilang trabaho is nag-maintain silang peace sa village para maiwasan ng mga trouble or mga wrongdoings. So the second one is custom control. So, ang trabaho naman sa custom control is nagakolekta silag mga tax para sa Vatican. And then, naga-enforce silag strict taxations para maiwasan ng smuggling. So, the third one is intelligence gathering. So, ang mga papal police is murag ka nang nag-spy sila or nagakolek og data or informations para ma-avoid ang foreign influence. And then the fourth one is religious law enforcement. So ang religious law enforcement is kanang ginaparusahan nila ang kanang musupak sa church or ginatudlo sa church. Now let's proceed to Vatican two real police forces. So the first one is Vatican Gendarmes, the second one is Swiss Guard. So, the job of the Vatican Gendarmes is kanang 100 sila ka Italian men which is in charge sa Vatican territory na mag-imply sila kanang strict security surveillance and maintaining peace. And then ang trabaho naman sa Swiss Guard is group of responsible men na which is natasan na protektahan ng Pope and mga apostolic place. And that's all. Thank you.